Singapore. I'm standing outside of a bar, halfway around the world. I couldn't speak a word. That doesn't matter, 'cause when I looked at her, my heart fell through.
There's our airplane, guys. Galing siya ng Davao and transiting here in Cebu to pick up some passengers and then bound for Singapore na.
Thank you for choosing a great way to fly Singapore Airlines. Cabin crew prepare for arrival, please. Thank you.
We're now in Singapore! Hey guys! Nandito na kami sa Singapore. Kalalabas lang namin galing sa immigration. Pawis na kami. And right now, pupunta na kami ng hotel. I booked a hotel at Hotel by Wasis. Doon muna kami matutulog. Kailangan namin pahinga before our flight tomorrow to Dubai. Ngayon, mag-grab kami kasi mas convenient para sa amin mag-grab. Ang grab waiting area dito is at the basement 1. Yan o. Diyan, sasakay kami. We're currently at the first level. So, bababa kami to wait for our grab pickup. So, see you guys later.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head on the water, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has capsized.
Hey guys! Nandito na kami sa hotel. We're staying here at Hotel by Wasis. And I'll take you na room tour bago kami matulog. Para bukas tuloy-tuloy na ang lakwatsa. This is our room, guys. It's a bit tiny. Pero in fairness, ang laki ng bed, ha. Ayan, Excuse me na. Yeah. Kasya ata 3 tao dito. And then, meron ditong small desk. May libre silang tubig, kettle, merong connecting room. Pero nakalock kasi syempre kami lang. And then ito yung bathroom. Oh, ang laki ng bathroom. Fairness, ang laki-laki ng bathroom nila. Ang linis pa, guys. See? Look at the sink. Meron din mga toiletries. They have towel. Love it. And then meron din silang cabinet. Safe. And then the TV. So that's the room tour. Matutulog na kami, guys. Kailangan na namin magpahinga para sa lakwatsa tomorrow. I'm going to meet my cousin. And we're going to have a food trip at Chinatown. May nalista na akong mga places na kakainan. And then afterwards, syempre, nandito ka na sa Singapore. Syempre, magpapapicture kami sa MERLION. Hindi kami magpapicture dun. Yun talaga gusto ko para may remembrance yung anak ko. Di ba, Nak? Are you excited?
Excited.
We're excited. I'm excited also now. So, see you tomorrow.
Ito yung first na titikman natin, fried teow from Outram Park. Stall number 270. Michelin rated po, so tikman natin kung masarap pa talaga. Char. Isa lang in-order namin kasi marami pa kami kakainan mamaya. So, pag marami kami in-order sa isang stall lang, busog pa kami. So good. What is it called? Yeah. Hindi siya ganun pag-grease. Sakto lang. Hindi rin siya wet. Hindi rin siya maalam. Sakto lang rin mo. Hindi na magkakaban yung parang kakaya ba? Sakto na sa din yung pag-sweet, no? Hindi kayo makaumay pa oyster nila. Hindi nakakaumay yung ano nila. So when you're in Hong Kong Food Center, when you're in Singapore, when you're in Chinatown, try nyo to. Mura pa. Mura pa ito? $450. $450 na. Busog na ka dito. Busog na dito. Pag marami kayo, pwede nyo share. Diba? Hashtag Mama Myra Approve.
Welcome to Singapore.
Maybe it's time for change, 'cause it's not the first time you've come undone. Feelings come and go around. Keep it coming around. Make my way, don't make a sound. It doesn't take a genius, I know, to make a heart felt when love's not there.
Hey guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Kaya Toast and we're going to try the Singapore breakfast. Say hi! Sarap siya guys. Masarap to guys, oh. Super sarap. Steamed kaya bread. Lamit ni. Sarap. It's already 9:38 a.m. guys, and that gray building is our hotel. We'll freshen up first before we go to the airport. So this is the surrounding area outside of our hotel. May malapit na 7-Eleven and just walking distance from both Quay and Chinatown. Our hotel has an in-house coffee shop. If you need a caffeine fix, you can get it here. As I mentioned in the early part of my vlog, this hotel is themed after a Wasi NFT collection. It's the first NFT hotel in the world, so if you're a cryptocurrency enthusiast, you'll enjoy it here.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back? All of the things I didn't know, I had to get out down the road, inside of the same old, caught in the circles round they go. It's hard when you keep close, rewind with my eyes closed. I need a breathe.
I'm now here at Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory. Gusto ko i-try ito. Sundae nila. Masarap daw yung sundae nila. Yay! This is the cow twist. Sarap guys! Sarap!
Ilang biscuit eh. Recommended this.
Let's try this.
Bakit no? Bakit no?
Sarap! Hindi siya matamis guys. So creamy. Try natin with cheesecake.
Ito sa luwag no?
Sobrang sarap guys. Try nyo to Ano? Tokyo, Japan. The Milk Cheese Factory. Mama Myra approves. We're now here at Sourbombe kasi bibili ako ng pasalubong for my family in Abu Dhabi. I saw this in Julia Barreto's vlog and na-curious ako kung anong lasa niya. It's basically a mash-up between sourdough and Italian bombolini. My favorite is the mini kaya. So yummy!
Welcome to Dubai. It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Habibi, come to Dubai.